Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. I'm Pepe. Do you like cooking? Cooking from scratch? Trying different ways of cooking? Cooking out of your comfort zone? Cooking as healthy as you can? If the answer is yes, then this is your platform. In today's video, I'm going to make some chicken tikka masala. It's my first time, so I was in that shop and I saw this kit. That's Lidl. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try. I love it, I've had it before, so I'm gonna try it myself. Try different ways of cooking, follow the steps and watch to the end. So it says 10-minute chicken, and I'm hungry, I'm from work, so I'm gonna do it as they say. There's a recipe in, so I'm going to follow this. It's easy, and I have all the ingredients here. I'm not sure what they are. Some creamy sauce, some spice, and some other spice. I'm going to need some vegetable oil, some onion. I'm going to chop the onion. Then the boneless chicken. Also going to have a little bit of yogurt, natural yogurt. So just chop the onions. I love chicken masala. I've had it over and over at a friend's place, and she's going to show me how to do it, but before that, I have to do it myself. Easy way. So heat the pan. So the pan is hot enough. Instructions say heat the pan, put in some oil, vegetable oil. Okay, that's the vegetable oil in. Then add some onion. Fry the onions for about 20 seconds until it starts getting golden. Then use the spice, the little bag of spice. Put it in, mix spice. There's a little bit of chili in it. Wow, that smells nice. Now next step is to put chicken in. Stir fry the chicken until when it starts getting cooked. It smells so nice. Wow. Hope my neighbor is not going to knock the door today because it smells so yummy already. Trying different ways of cooking. So the chicken is getting cooked, you can see. Pretty brown. Yeah. Big shout out to all my Indian friends watching this video. I know I will do better next time with all the ingredients from scratch. But I'm craving for chicken tikka masala tonight, so yeah. The next thing that goes in is this little bag of some more ingredients. Don't ask me what it is. I'm just putting everything in. More ingredients, more flavors. More flavors in. I'm just going to cover the pot for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to wash my rice. Okay, and then add the main sauce, the big bag. Looks nice. This is the creamy one. I think this contains yogurt, so I'm not going to put any yogurt anymore. I was just putting just in case. Just in case. That's it done. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes. That's it done. In 10 minutes. It's cooked, it's ready. Chicken tikka masala. Easy recipe. That chicken masala goes with rice. This is basmati rice. Already time to serve. "20 minutes later, time to eat." This is delicious. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.